Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to make your phone automatically active when you raise your phone. So the things that you have to do now is just jump into the settings application. If you cannot find the settings on your home screen, slide your home screen into the left side until you find the app library, and you just need to type settings here. And whenever you find it, you just need to click it to open it. And after that, you just need to scrolling down until you found a display and brightness. You just need to go click it, and this display and brightness you need to scrolling down until you find the raise to wake, and then you just need to activate it by click this button until it change into the green color. So the green color will symbolize that you already turn on this mode. So that's the way how to make phone automatically active whenever you raise your phone. So hopefully this tutorial today is really useful for you, and don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel for another tutorial video. See you for the next video.